A 12-minute fish dish, perfect alternative to the bacalao for the Semana Santa. Join me for some learning and fun here on Channel 1. Hello, warm welcome. Welcome to Channel 1 and your Kuya here in Holland, Romelo. Today is Miércoles Santo and we're cooking something Semana Santa friendly dish, which you might think no meat dish. Really? Yes, no meat dish. Of course, it's no meat, but yet we want to cook something special. Something fiesta. Fiesta appropriate, if you will. In most households, they might be cooking something festive, something meat-like, just like the bacalao, which has tomato sauce, similar to the menudo or afritada. We're doing equally festive, but easier, quicker. 10 minutes, it's done. Well, 10 to 12. It's a fish dish. It's a fish dish with very simple ingredients. Fish, plus this too. Just that, just this too. And to add colors, this. So this is simple alternative to the bacalao for Semana Santa. And I want to serve it with eggplant salad, which I'll be grilling now. See, I can do the two dishes at the same time. For this dish, come closer, cameraman, I'll be needing a steamer and of course boiling water. It's now boiling. I just need to slice this thinly, but first let's prepare the steamer. I just need to apply oil to this steamer to keep the fish from sticking. There. You have the option to slice this or to cut this into small bits, this size or bite size, your choice. But small bits absorb the sauce better compared to bite size. And we'll just have to put this in the steamer. We need this too. Red chili for spice. Red chili for some spiciness. And green for some spiciness also. But I'll be using this just for the color. Al gusto. If you prefer fiery, a version of this, add more. I'll be adding just enough to give color. While this themes, you might want to see the Semana Santa events. They are posted in the Travel and Places channel here. Semana Santa celebrations around the world. It's been around 10 minutes, so I'm sure it's ready. While waiting for that to cook, let's prepare our simple eggplant salad. If you're wondering about the background sound, those are the sounds of the processions that are going on in Andalusia in Spain. That's what we're covering tomorrow at the other channel. Our easy eggplant salad. Let's set this to a side and let's do the finishing mix for our steamed fish, Semana Santa dish. This is our steamed fish, and I'm just going to boil oil around 1 tablespoon. This is special soy sauce. It's called seasoned soy sauce for seafood. So it's really perfect for fish. If you don't have it, just use the silver swan or equivalent. Around 2 tablespoons of this. And the colors. It's boiling now, and we are ready to pour the last ingredient and do the plating as well. Oh yeah, yeah. Look at this, an easy Semana Santa fish dish. Simple, quick, but it looks fancy. And for special days, just like the days of the Semana Santa. Make it as well at home this week. Whatever feast you are celebrating, enjoy it and make it meaningful. I'm going to enjoy this with rice and the side dish. Thank you for joining me today, and let's enjoy this food as well as the events of the Semana Santa. See you in the next video and on the Semana Santa events on the other channel.